Hello everyone! Today I would like to present to you the new range of three-phase compact machines dedicated for non-pulse MIG welding with addition of MMA stick welding capability, Powertec IC. In the new range we find two versions of products. Standard one, just with digital displays working in manual modes only, where we offer two models with output of 250 amps 60% and 320 amps 40% duty cycle, and advanced version with large TFT color screen, fully featured, working in both manual and synergic modes, where we offer four models with output of 250 amps 60%, 320 amps 40%, 380 amps 40%, and 450 amps 80% duty cycle. As option for all models, Lincoln Electric offers a practical system which allows you to place on the machine any cable and transport it without any problem. Let's see what interesting new things we can find here. We implemented new line design to get attractive product range appearance. All advanced versions are equipped with new stronger encoders, giving to welders the feeling of a more convenient parameters change. A clock and calendar have been added to the system. In the configuration menu, we can set the current date and time at any time. Thanks to access to the weld log data recording on USB, we have simply welding quality monitoring. A speaker has also been added to the machine. Now, adjusting the encoders or pressing the button is additionally signaled by a sound. In case of improper operation or an errors, the system additionally signals it with a sound. With new Powertec i compact range, it is now possible to play training, advertising and other videos with audio. As you see, many practical new solutions and functions have been added to improve performance and comfort of using the new Powertec IC.